A dude starts making a lot of money and then almost immediately his wife suddenly becomes a real estate agent. I always thought this was like the most random thing ever that happened like clockwork until it happened to me. And what these women who are married to high earners won't tell you is that this is actually a tax planning strategy to help reduce your taxable income so that you pay less in federal income taxes, because when you're married to a high earner, girl, you don't even want to see my tax bill. Everyone knows that to build generational wealth, you have to start buying real estate, but the cash flow and the property appreciation are only 2/3 of the story when it comes to why people, especially high earners, invest in real estate. Other part of the equation, and the biggest reason why I like buying rental properties, is for the tax planning benefits. I purposely do not have a property manager for my entire rental property portfolio because one, I have a real estate license. If I had a property manager, I would be managing the property manager. That's just annoying. And two, I want to qualify for something called real estate professional status. I'm not a tax professional. I'm just sharing what my tax planning CPA has me do. A certain number of hour requirements for managing your own real estate portfolio and being involved day to day with the real estate activities. Why do I care about becoming a real estate professional? Because any paper losses my rental property portfolio incurs, like for example, bonus depreciation, those losses can be deducted against my partner's ordinary active income. Real estate is one of the best ways to do it, and especially if you're married. Obviously, there's one person in the marriage who's working their high income, a W-2 job. The other person might have a little more flexibility and they can become a real estate professional and get their real estate license and start actively managing their own real estate portfolio to qualify for being an REP, and then you can do all the tax magic. So no, when the wife of a high earner suddenly gets a real estate license, it's not random, it's tax planning. And if you like all things wealth building, I'm your girl.